In the depths of a dark cave in Mexico, a fascinating fish thrives, the blind cavefish. Lacking eyesight, these fish have adapted by enhancing their other senses, allowing them to navigate their subterranean world with amazing precision. Instead of vision, they rely on keen hearing and lateral lines to detect vibrations in the water. These adaptations not only help them find food, but also avoid predators in the pitch-black environment. Surprisingly, their lack of pigmentation gives them a unique ghostly appearance, making them look like little white shadows darting through the water. It's a remarkable reminder of how life can adapt in the most unexpected ways.